Hello, I am Professor Yifan Wang. I am currently a Nanyang Assistant Professor from the School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. My research is mostly focused on robotics, especially soft robotics. So what we look for is to develop smart materials and structures for robotic applications such as wearable robots, assistive robots, robotic grippers, and robotic manipulators, and so on. I think there are two types of skills. One type is basically soft skills, and what that means is the ability to innovate and the ability to ask questions. Doing something that previous researchers or previous people haven't done is really an important soft skill in the future career, no matter whether in the research or in other industrial set. And the other part I would say is about the hard skills. For example, the ability to create those hardwares and also some of these computational skills, and later they can apply to their own career. When we come up with the final year project topics, we typically have in mind what the actual industrial field needs. For example, in my group, we have several FYP students who works on industrial related robotic grippers and manipulators. So after the students finish this FYP project, the skills they gained could potentially be used in the future career if they go into this field, robotics related industries.
The objective of this FYP is to design, fabricate, and test a soft robotic gripper with cable-driven actuation systems. The gripper will be mounted on a desktop robotic arm and paired with an image recognition camera for it to be able to recognize the type of object it's picking up and also the location of the object relative to a table.
For me, I always have interest in robotics since poly, and having the opportunity to choose my own FYP topic, I was actually intrigued by Prof. Wang's FYP project on soft robotic gripper. I really wanted to find out more and dive deeper regarding such technology.
A skill that I wish I had before I start my FYP project is programming regarding computer vision. It is difficult at first as I have a steep learning curve, especially in the hardware integration and also system timing debugging. But I have fun in this project as it helps me get out of my comfort zone and have a step-by-step learning that I break down from a literature review. This FYP project has taught me a lot of valuable lessons, especially in the terms of the Internet of Things. And it gives me a better understanding of the Industry 4.0, and it makes me a better engineer with a unique skill set that I can use to contribute to the society.